Welcome all. Welcome to this new section where we are going to discuss about how we have connected all the YouTube videos, EPCLAND.com articles, and various courses which have already been published. So let us look into few of the sections how this information is available and how you can access to these things. First of all, we have now 1000 plus videos available on YouTube channel, that is oil and gas fundas. Then 1000 plus articles on EPC land, then 35 plus piping courses which have already been published, and luckily now 100 plus countries people have already enrolled to these courses. We have around 50 plus hours of content in the form of courses, so you can enroll to that and you will get the lifetime access to those courses, and you will get the certification also. So in the form of all these items, in the form of videos, articles or courses, you can learn, you can refresh and record the piping fundamentals. So that was the only agenda. So now let us see how we what are the various things are available with us. We have a free course here so that you can get a feel what kind of courses are there. You can click over this link and you can reach up to that link. Then we have published a free ebook that is basically on valves, various types of valves. So this is really interesting. You can download that book from here. EPCLAND.com, this is a website where all the articles and a lot of information related to courses and few of the non-technical things are also available. So you can look into those things. YouTube channel, here we have 1000 plus videos, each and every video related to technical things related to piping engineering. So exclusive content is also there. We have a exclusive section on YouTube. You can join there and you can get access to the exclusive content in the form of courses and videos that is available there. And we will be updating this section very soon. 100 plus exclusive videos will be available very soon in this section. And at the same time you can ask questions also. Just click over this and you will get a procedure how we can you can ask your question, and that will be published on YouTube channel very soon. So now let us see what kind of courses are there which can be enrolled, and you can look into various things. For example, we have around 35 plus courses. Out of these, the main courses I have listed here. First one is 4.5 hour course on 8 elements of piping engineering, where what is piping engineering, oil and gas cycle, life cycle, design basis, process interface, what kind of pipes are there, valve classification, flange classification, strainer, steam trap classification. So basic details are there. This is 4.5 hours of course. You can check the content covered by clicking over this, and if you want to enroll, you can click over this link. Right, so to get the maximum discount, you can utilize the code coupon, that is month 3 digit of current month and the year. For example, March MAR 2022. So that discount coupon code you can utilize and you can enroll at maximum discount available. At the same time, we have another course, that is piping activities and deliverables and non-deliverables. This is 7 hours course, and it will be covering a lot of information with respect to the deliverables, how we define the deliverables and non-deliverables, how we calculate the man hours related to that, then design basis, process interface, overall plot plan, unit plot plan, layout guidelines, layout standards, material takeoff, nozzle orientation, 3D model specification, 3D model review specifications, paint specification, insulation, general arrangement drawings, isometrics. So a lot of information related to deliverable and non-deliverables covered here in this course. So you can get an overall view how the things are moving behind the scenes. Then another course is 7 modules of piping codes and standard. Here again we have added the introduction to codes and standard, then major differences between 31.1 and 31.3. Then a lot of information related to ACME standards is covered, 36.10, 36.5, how we calculate the wall thickness, impact testing, API standards 660, 598. Then ASTM standards also, carbon steel, high, low temperature and alloy steel. These is covered in this course. This is again 4-hour course, and you can check the detailed content by clicking here. Then if you want to enroll, then clicking here, and you will be directed to the enrollment page. So this is how you can look into various courses. Again, there is a very good course on top modules of piping layouts and design. Here everything related to pipe rack, compressors, heat exchanger, column, pumps is covered. That is again 5-hour course, and you can look into the detailed content covered by clicking here. Then to enroll, you can click over here, and you can utilize the coupon code, that is month, 3 digit, and year. Again, there is a course on underground piping. A lot of things have already been covered in this section also. Again, you can click over this link, and you can look at the detailed content cover. Similarly, for tank layouts, there is a course. This is again a 2.5 hours course, and most of the things related to tank layout, OSD standards, various API standards, how we can plan the type, how we can finalize the spacing criteria, road layout, accessibility, NFPA clauses. So all those stuff is covered. Firefighting, deluge system, how we do these things with respect to safety and all. So everything is covered in this course. Then there is another course, that is 7 modules of pipe materials. Here again we start with the behavior of element, all the critical elements, how they behave with respect to iron and other components, basic heat treatment processes, ASTM standards, then carbon steel, low carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy steel. So all major clauses with respect to ASTM standards for all these steels we have captured. So once we go through these, we can understand how the ASTM standards are covered, what is the important information we have to pick from these standards. So this is related to all ferrous materials which is commonly used in process industry. Then again we have isometric life cycle course. This is again 3.5 hours of content. Again you can get the lifetime access once enrolled. So again here we have covered many things. What is isometric drawing, what are the various sections, what kind of notes are there, uses of isometric by various disciplines, then how we read the isometric checking cycle, pipe spool, fabrication terms with respect to inch dia, inch meter, time saving tricks. Then we have a big section here that is related to isometric management. From engineering side, we have to manage the complete life cycle of isometric, right from extraction to issuance of that particular sheet. So each and everything is covered in this section. So this is how we have covered all these courses. There are 35 plus courses. Out of these are the 8 main courses which are there, which anybody has to, should enroll, so that we can at least refresh our fundamentals if we already know. Then on left side, if you see, we have a lot of links which are there. These are the main elements which are available on YouTube. What is energy sector, what is oil and gas sector, refinery versus petrochemical, basic crude processes, scope of piping engineering, 2-minute funda series. This we have covered in 2 parts, part 1 and 2. Then interview questions and answers. Again there are a lot of videos on this. You can click over this and you can reach up to that part. Various playlists for 50 plus videos are there which you can look into directly. YouTube channel, if you like the content, you can subscribe it. You can join the exclusive content which we discussed here. Then again there are few non-technical things available. For example, email etiquettes, how to write an email, how to write a subject, what are the main things which has to be there in an email when we are sending it to somebody. Then covering letter, how we need to write covering letter, why it is important. Freelancing platform, this is again something which is very important. How we can utilize the Microsoft Teams. There are very tricks which we can utilize and increase the productivity of our work. Then MS Excel, advanced and basic things, blockchain, Bitcoin. This is something which is non-technical, and we have covered in the form of videos and articles. Again, you can look into the various social media links, where we can look into the Facebook page, Facebook group, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and you can also join the discussion forum, Telegram, WhatsApp, and YouTube. Okay, so this is something which is available on this platform. All these YouTube videos, articles, courses, and now exclusive content is also there. Also, you can join the discussion forum by clicking over this join hands on Telegram, so where hundreds of people have already joined, and we can discuss many things very openly, and you can ask, you can answer to so many things. So this is how we have covered the content available on various platforms into one sheet. These all are clickable items. You can click over this and you can directly reach up to that particular thing. Also, recently we have initiated a contest where you can participate and you can win a free course. This is something, you just have to click over this and fill a small form, and you can participate and you can win any of these courses. So this will be available if you click over this link. So this is how we have covered many things. Let us see how the community grows. I'm sure it is adding some value to your knowledge. So thank you very much for watching. Keep learning.